Hi, this is Rob with Paramount Construction, and I want to show you another great property in Bethesda that we are releasing. And this property is in very close to downtown Bethesda. The address is 7606 Granada Drive in Bethesda. And if you hold on a minute, I will show you where it's located on a map, and I'll even show you a couple of floor plans we've laid out for a couple of people we're talking to that are interested in the lot. We're happy to create a floor plan and calculate a price to build a new home on the lot just for you too. But first, let me give you a little background. It is an 8,300 square foot flat lot with a walkout rear yard. You can actually walk to Landon School, you can walk to Pyle Middle School, and you can walk to Walt Whitman High School. The elementary school is Burning Tree Elementary School. And the price for the new home to be built and this phenomenal lot will start at $2.25 million. And the price will be a function of the size and the finishes that we build on the lot. And we have never designed or built the same home twice. So whatever we create will fit perfectly on this lot, and it will be designed just for you if you come in early. Let me show you where this property is located so you get an idea. This is Bethesda right here, 706 Granada Drive. You can see Landon School is 1, 2, maybe 2 blocks away, and Pyle Middle School is about 3 or 4 blocks away. And then Walt Whitman is 1, 2, 3, maybe 6 blocks away. So really great location. And in a minute, I'll show you the school ratings. If you're not familiar with these 3 schools, they're phenomenal. You can see it's really close to downtown Bethesda, probably about a 30-minute walk to the Apple Store, to all the restaurants in downtown Bethesda, to the metro is probably right here around East, West, and Wisconsin Avenue. So you could actually walk to the metro. So really great location, easy access into Washington, D.C., easy access to Virginia. So if you're working in McLean or Roslyn or Tyson's Corner or Arlington, easy to get to, and easy to get to Washington, D.C. You can just take River Road. There's one way to do it. If you're working near a Catholic University, near the Children's Hospital, easy to shoot down Connecticut Avenue. So very convenient location. Let me show you the school ratings so you can see what these schools look like. Burning Tree, as you can see right here, is currently rated a 9 out of 10. Thomas Pyle Middle School is rated 10 out of 10. Whitman is currently rated 8 out of 10. I will also show you just a couple of different home styles in terms of elevations that you could have. Just to give you an idea, we can do arts and crafts, we could do contemporary, transitional, we could do multiple car garage elevations, we could do French country elevations, transitional elevations, so all kinds of different elevations. The nice thing about this, that's a modern farmhouse, about this particular lot is it's a wide where we're going to get a nice impressive elevation on the lot. All kinds of different options on this. I'll actually show you the plat. In that way, you'll get an idea of what can be built on this lot in terms of the size of the house. So here's a plat of the property, and just show you a couple of different options. Let me see if I can do this right. I have to reduce this a little bit. This is the property. You can see that the outer dotted and dashed line is the property line. And I'll make you another video that just shows a better plat, but this will give you an idea. The inner dashed line is the buildable area. So you can see we can build a pretty good sized house in here and still leave a large backyard. We're showing a 1,880 square foot first floor, On this one, we're showing a even larger first floor. This is about a 2,025 square foot first floor. So plenty of room on this lot to do all kinds of things. We're showing a front porch here. Again, we're happy to create a plan just for you. On this plan, you come in the front door. To the right is a living room. To the left is a dining room. There's a butler's pantry. You come, the stairs is off to the side. This is a powder room, coat closet. And then in the back, we're showing family room, kitchen, breakfast nook. We're showing an office off the kitchen area, and then a large laundry room and mud room with built-ins. But again, we're happy to create a plan just for you. And if you hold on a minute, I'll show you how you can contact us to walk the lot. I'll show you how we will be able to create a plan and an exact price for you on this lot. Let me show you another plan. This one's a little larger. The price will depend on the size and the finishes of the house. So first floor, we're showing another covered porch. You come in the front door here. Living room is off to the right. This could also be in a study. It could be a piano room. On the left side is a very large dining room, and that comes all the way back to a family room, kitchen. This is a mud room, very large pantry. Give you another idea of another plan. This is a 1,750 square foot plan on the first floor, and we come in the front. We've got to the right is a powder room, coat closet, large dining room. We have an optional elevator right here. And we've got this great room, kitchen, oversized garage with storage area. With this lot, we could do a 3-car garage if you wanted. We're showing a mud room and then a pantry. And then this is all glass going out to the back. We're building 2 houses a couple blocks away on Maiden Lane. This is a version of one of those houses. We're showing a front porch here with a front door. Again, a living room, could be an office, could be a parlor, could be a piano room. On the left side, we're showing a dining room. And then we've got the powder room, coat closet. We're showing an office back here, and then a large family room, kitchen, a large pantry, butler's pantry. Again, plenty of room on this to put elevators. This is actually a great lot for a swimming pool or a sports court in the back. If you would like to either walk the lot or learn more about this lot or discuss financing on the lot or tour our sales model, you can give us a call at 301-370-6463. I will also put a link on this page where you can click the link and we can schedule a time to discuss this phenomenal building lot, and I will explain how you can have us create a custom plan on this lot just for you. We'll get an exact price. You can meet Kevin, our architect, and he'll go through lots of options that you can do on this lot. So I enjoyed making this for you, and I hope to talk to you soon.